Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on how to make an ad hoc or group call from the Contacts tab for D-pad devices. An ad hoc call creates a temporary group call from the Contacts tab and may include up to 128 users. To begin, select each desired contact by pressing the selection key on your device. You'll see the highlight turn red when a contact has been selected. Previously selected contacts will highlight gray to indicate their selection. To place your ad hoc call, simply press and hold the PTT button on your device. This will vary depending on the device. Upon hearing the grant tone, begin speaking. Release the PTT button when you are finished speaking. Upon call connection, the app will automatically navigate to the in-call screen, where users can see the call participants and details about the call. The call will idle time out when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may manually end the call by pressing the return button on the device. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.